Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we discussed about create table command. In this class, we will discuss about data types. Topics covered: data types. So the various data types in ANSI SQL are character, and N indicates the size of the character. Character is the name of the data type, and N indicates the size of the data item. Also char, 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 and N indicates the size. Character varying N, so you can also have character varying N indicates that character variable length character, suppose, right? Similarly, you have char varying N. National character indicates this is regarding, suppose if your database is in specific country like Germany or Japan or France. In that case, they use the special characters that they have their own alphabets. In that case, you want to store the data items written in France or Germany or Japanese. Then you can declare a column as national character. Similarly, national char is a abbreviated form. N-char is also there. National character varying length N is the size of the data item. National char varying N data item. N-char varying N. So these are all the character data types. Numeric data type, like you have numeric. P for precision, S stands for scale. So P indicates the total number of digits in the number, and S indicates the after decimal point how many digits are there. Scale indicates that. So decimal also is a data type. We have precision and scale. Integer is also data type to store the integer values. Int is also a data type to store the integer values. Small int is also one data type. Float, double precision, real, or floating point number. You can store floating point numbers in the data type, in the columns, those columns with the data type float, double precision, and real. Thank you. These are all the data types. When you define a table, use the data types and their numbers depending upon the requirement. Thank you very much.